I'm Yunus Emre. I'm studying electric and electronics engineering first year at Bilkent University. My project is determination of gravitational acceleration using simple pendulum. The aim of this project is calculating gravitational acceleration by changing simple pendulum's length and observing change in the period. Simple pendulum oscillates due to gravitational acceleration. This motion is called simple harmonic motion. Under small angle conditions, which mostly lower than 10 degree, and the situation simple pendulum makes a periodic motion. And with some calculations and equations, we can calculate period due to length of the string and gravitational acceleration. In experiment, I used these five following equipments: a string, a pendulum bob, a stopwatch to measure period, a ruler to measure string, and a retort stand. In experiment, I tied one side of my string to a constant and unchanged mass, and other part to retort stand. Then I measure the length of the string by a ruler. After setup is done, I pull the mass and start periodic movement on the simple pendulum. In the experiment, I measured 10 oscillations to minimize lab errors. After measuring 10 oscillations, I wrote it down to measurements and changed the length of the string and do the experiment again, 5 times total after writing results. The table I made this graph with lab data, and this graph shows square of the period to length of the string. After putting lab results to graph, I draw the best line which shows 4 pi square divided by average gravitational acceleration calculated, and in the lab the gravitational acceleration is 9.80. As you can see, there are some errors. The cause of these errors is mostly lab circumstances and measure the measurements done by myself, so some of the errors is caused by starting and ending stopwatch reaction difference. But still, my average G is closer enough to real G, and the error is 5.5%. In conclusion, the graph is clear. The period of simple pendulum is connected length and gravitational acceleration, and we can calculate gravitational acceleration with known period of the pendulum and the length of the pendulum.